Well, I think from 2014, when I took up this position on an acting interim basis, I think I made very clear my commitment to making sure that the cultural, the organisational and the administrative reform that was needed to bring this organisation into the 21st century happens in a real way. And we began a journey to get that started in 2014. That's continuing. And as the Deputy Commissioner said, in doing that and making sure that the reforms that are needed are put in place, it is the most radical reform programme. Not everybody likes it. You know, we're going to get a lot of pushback from a lot of quarters when we are doing things that try and make things right. But the one thing that we are sure is we are absolutely committed to making sure that we see that through.
Sorry, but your position, if the Dáil has no confidence in you next week, will you remain on as Commissioner?
I have a journey of work that I have to do, and I have to make sure that I see out that commitment and to make sure that the foundations of what is a modern professional police service that delivers the cultural reform, the structural reform and the organisational reform that's necessary to achieve that is put in place.
Thank you, Commissioner. Thanks for that.